What's going goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today we're gonna make some stew peas, but we're gonna use these nice lovely fresh pig's tail. So we're gonna make pig's tail stew peas. All right, so here I have some lovely pig's tail. I'm just gonna wash them and clean them up and cut them up, and then we are going to boil them out to get rid of some of the salt. So as you can see, I trim up the pig's tail, get rid of some of the fat, and wash them nicely in some vinegar water. So I'm just gonna put this on the stove now to boil, and just to get rid of some of the salt. So as you can see, goodies, already boiled them, and now I am going to add it to my peas. Make sure so the salt come out, some of the salt, not all of it. So here I have my peas on the stove with some water, and I'm adding my pig's tail straight to this. So I'm going to make sure that the peas cook with the pig's tail. And to the peas, I have like 4 cloves of garlic. So I'm just going to leave that, cover that down, and allow it to cook. Alright, goodies, so when the peas cook, we are going to add now the coconut milk and season our pot. So I'm adding a can of coconut milk, and I'm going to add also some coconut cream. And then I'm going to season my pot with some seasoning. So to season my pot, I'm going in with some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, some Maggi chicken seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and some Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to be adding 2 tablespoons of my green marinade. You can check out my channel for the green marinade recipe. This is amazing. If you're using the green marinade, you might not need to add anything else like scallion, onion, or ginger, because this have everything in there, goodies. Okay, goodies, so because I love my seasoning, I'm going in with an onion and a piece of scallion. You can also add a hot pepper if you like spice. That would be great to add a hot pepper to this. I'm also going to go in with some brown sugar just to balance off things. This is optional though, so you don't have to add the brown sugar, but I just like to balance off my pot. So goodies, what is stew peas without dumplings? So my brother went ahead and made me some dumplings. So here, as you can see, I added the dumplings. My brother added them for me. As a matter of fact, I'm giving him the credit. But yeah, so things looking good. It's going down nicely, and the pig's tail, they are cooked, they are soft and nice. So I'm just gonna leave this a little bit longer just to get my gravy a little bit thicker. Okay, goodies, so the pot is ready, and I have served myself a beautiful plate. Look how lovely this is looking. Let me know what you think about this recipe, goodies. If you would like to see me cook stew peas with another meat, or if you want to see me do it vegan style, just let me know and I'll do it. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Remember, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and remember to like the video, share the video. Until next time, God bless you.